You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names of famous scientists from history. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel of French chemist, physicist and politician Irène Joliot-Curie. Irène Joliot-Curie is how you say it in French. So in English, Irène Joliot-Curie. Irène Joliot-Curie. More videos here on how to pronounce the names of famous scientists from history that many mispronounce. You want any more? After watching this, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.